Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Always use the best and the freshest ingredients. Today I'm going to make honey walnut. It is one of my favorite nuts dishes that I use quite often, not only used in a stir fry with chicken, but also as an appetizer with charcuterie. You use 1 pound of walnut half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of butter. First, you blanch the walnut in the hot boiling water, and for maybe about 5 minutes, the water will turn brown, and you drain the walnuts and dump the water. Then you do second time, use the fresh water and cook the walnuts again. This way it will take off the bitterness from the walnut. Then you place walnuts on paper towel, let dry. Add 1 cup of water in the pot and add a half cup of sugar and cook in high heat until the sugar dissolves. Then add the walnuts into the sugar water. Very slowly folding the sugar into the walnuts and cook about 5 minutes until the walnut coated with sugar. Then you take the walnut out and let drain again of the extra sugar water. Then you add the honey and the butter into the walnut and mix well. And then you place the walnuts on the baking sheets. Then place in the oven at 320 degrees for about 25 minutes until the walnuts is crispy, and let it cool down. Then you will be ready to serve, and also package in a container and use whenever you need. It will keep for a month.